Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to learn about thin layer chromatography, characterizations of flavonoids. You know, my friends, as a chemist, the importance of flavonoids. So, how flavonoids equals extracting and doing the chromatography. So we will learn the technique thin layer chromatography in this video. So let us start from the introductions. First I will introduce about these particles, and I will suggest you cannot perform this experiment in your home. Always perform any experiment related to chemistry in the laboratory of chemistry in the presence of your supervisors. So let us start about the brief introductions about flavonoids. So you know friend, flavonoid is a class of plant secondary metabolites based around phenylbenzopyrone structure. You also know about the flavonoids are most commonly known for their antioxidant activity. You also know about the flavonoids are also commonly referred to as bioflavonoids because all flavonoids are biological in origin. You should also know they have been referred to as natural biological response modifier because of a strong experimental evidence of their ability to modify the body's reaction to allergens and viruses and carcinogens. You know friend, they show anti-allergic, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, anti-cancer activity. In addition, flavonoids act as a powerful antioxidants, protecting against oxidative and free radical damage. Now friends, the beneficial effect of fruits, vegetables and tea have been attributed to flavonoids compound rather than to known nutrients and vitamins. The last important point related to flavonoids, they are widely distributed in plants, producing yellow or red-blue pigmentations in flowers and protections from attack by microbes and insects. Now friends, important dietary source. You know all citrus fruits, berries, onions, green tea and dark chocolates are good sources of flavonoids. The citrus bioflavonoids include hesperidines, quercetin, rutin, and tangeritin. Now, friend, the classification, you know, over 5,000 naturally occurring flavonoids have been characterized from various plants. They have been classified according to their chemical structure and are usually divided into 6 subgroups: flavones, flavonols, flavonones, flavonothiols, isoflavones, anthocyanidins. Now friends, what is the routine or ruta verb? I will give you brief introduction about this. It is a citrus flavonoids glycosides, a sugar of quercetin found in some plants. It combines with the cations, supplying nutrients from the soil to the cell in plants. Friends, in humans, it attaches to the iron 3, iron 2 plus, preventing it from binding to oxygen peroxide and creating a highly reactive free radicals that may damage cell. And next important point, it is an antioxidant and therefore plays an important role in inhibiting some cancer. So look at this herbs. Now friends, I will give the brief introductions about the principle of thin layer chromatography because I know people forget after a long period of time, so I am going to remind you. TLC, thin layer chromatography, is a simple, quick and inexpensive procedure that indicates how many components are in mixture. Then friends, a TLC, thin layer chromatography plate, is a sheet of glass metal or plastic which is coated with a thin layer of solid absorbent, usually silica or aluminum. A small amount of the mixture to be analyzed is spotted near the bottom of the plates, and the TLC plate is then placed in a shallow hole of the solvent in a developing chamber, so that only the very bottom of the plate is in the liquid, and this liquid or eluent is the mobile phase, and it slowly rises up and TLC plate by capillary actions. Now you can see these pictures. This is one TLC, you can see here, and there is a spot. This is the solvent, and this is a spot. Now due to capillary actions, now you see 1 2 3, these are the same. Now these two, so you can separate. If it is mixtures, you can find out the use of TLC. So there is a thin layer chromatography, there is a beaker. Now friends, the aim of this experiment. In this experiment, you will identify flavonoids by TLC in different herbs. So material required, you need rota herb, you need chamomile flowers, you need caraway, you need adsorbent silica gel G, you need solvent ethyl acetate or formic acid and water 8:1:1, like that. Now procedure: preparation of extract. Boil 3 grams of powdered drug plus 30 ml of methanol for 2 minutes. Cool and filter. Use the filtrate for chromatography applied. Reference substances: dissolve 2.5 mg of protein in 10 ml of methanol. You can see here. Development: develop the spotted plate at the room temperature to distance of 12 cm. Mark the front and allow the solvent to evaporate off all room temperature. And spray the plate with a reagent consisting of 50 ml 3% boric acid solution and 5 ml 10% oxalic acid. You should need these two solution. Heat the plate and examine in UV light. So you can see evaluation of the chromatogram. This is the chromatogram. Flavonoids treated with boric acid and oxalic acid give compounds which, after heating, fluorescence yellowish green. And you can see this is the TLC plate. There is a spot. This is the solvent, and this is the height of. So this is the B. So you can calculate the RF factor from here, B by A. This is the B. This is the solvent, and this is your compound. A starting line here, solvent line is here. So determine RF value of reference flavonoids and flavonoids contained in the tested extracts. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Share it in your friend circle.